And I have great follow-up on a specific case I'm thinking about. So, I have a lot of, active, people and high-level athletes, and one in particular was just, told them they had a large labrum cartilage tear in the shoulder, and they was like, I'm not getting surgery. Figure it out.
So he had, it was a he, I presume. It was a labral tear, which is a cushion of cartilage in the joint, in the ball and socket joint. That's important for stability.
Yes.
Labrum was torn. It was a young athletic person,
Yep.
and they did not want surgery.
No, yeah, high-level athlete, didn't want anything going for a big deal. I said, well, PRP, it might help, but it would be best if we just went right to stem cells, that liquid version we were just talking about before. And I just found that I don't know if there's studies that support it, but anecdotally, I just find that definitely
Which
seals the
stem
deal.
cell was it again?
The one that comes dry ice
Prepared.
overnight, already still liquid from the actual placenta.
So it was not his own stem cells,
Yeah.
it was from the bank.
From the bank.
Interesting.
Yeah, I found that would be just really the best way. Just again, it's medicine's a lot of evidence-based research, and some other studies just don't show PRP and stem cells what they really do. I think if you live it and you see how people return to function, you realize, I don't know why the study just showed kind of equivocal results. It's obvious, and you get an MRI and everything's healed, that something good happened. So that's the case with this patient. That's why I like this one specifically, because they were a long-time patient and got to see them for other things, and then all of a sudden had another shoulder injury years after that stem cell, which normally you don't get a labrum of that size of a tear fixed surgically. It doesn't go away. You'll do an MRI 20 years later, you still see it. So in his case, the MRI was redone for a new shoulder injury, and normal labrum, it was a new injury of the shoulder. So it showed that it actually cured. And that was just maybe 2-3 years after that injection.
That's extraordinary. I've never seen that. Like since we're talking about labral tears, it's a good topic to touch on as well. But I've never seen it like where the labrum is healed.
It's healed.
Once there's a full tear, unless it's surgically repaired. I've never seen that it could be fully healed.
Yeah, it was fully healed. MRI, normal labrum.
Wow, that's a case study.
Yeah.